You're here right now because you're looking for ways to promote your business on social media. If you're going through that same process, you're here because you're looking for a solution, right? Or maybe you found this through Google, or you found one of my other videos or another video that I made and I referred you here to this video. If that's the case, make sure you pay attention to what I'm getting ready to share with you right now, because this, once you apply it, will help you big time. All right, so let's go ahead and get into those steps. Step number 1, choose a platform. Now, this is when it's important to know exactly what you're promoting and how to demonstrate it in a way that your prospects are going to want to see or they find appealing. For example, if you are promoting something that's visual based, it doesn't make much sense to promote it on a platform that's predominantly text based, right? That's predominantly about writing things out, right? This is what it comes down to, you understanding your products, right? And knowing your target market. So the platform you choose must help demonstrate what you're selling so your prospects can have an idea of how it can benefit them. Step number 2, you must identify your target market. If you've watched other videos that I've made and even gone back and go to our channel and watch the other videos when it comes to prospecting, I talk a lot about target marketing because it's important for you to know exactly who you're going to be promoting to, right? You don't want to promote to everyone. Everyone's not going to buy what you're selling. Everyone's not even interested in knowing about what you're promoting and selling. Target a specific market. Okay, once you target a specific market, you'll be able to target in your messaging to those people. That way it increases the chances that they're interested. And then once they're interested, then you can begin the process of actually converting them into a customer, right? But for instance, here's an example. Let's say you're selling gardening tools. Your job is to literally use a strategy, right? And I've taught this in another video. You can actually check it out right here. It's about social media and the importance of it, but it's about also using a strategy that works. And a strategy that you can use to target your market is the Facebook graph search. And again, I've covered this before. You can use a tool on Facebook, on a site like Facebook. That tool is called the Facebook graph search, okay? And you can go into the graph search and you can type in people who like gardening tools, right? And what that will do is it will pull up a bunch of people who actually are interested in what you're selling, right? Because you are selling gardening tools. If you're selling those, it's important to put those in front of people who have a likely chance of being interested or even purchasing what you're selling. So you can type in people who like gardening, or people, it'll give you a bunch of other suggestions once you type it into the graph search, right? If you understand the power behind it, behind the graph search, you will utilize it and put yourself in front of people who are more likely to say yes and buy. Step number 3, you must find, engage, and connect with those targeted prospects once you find them. So you've targeted your market, you see someone who can be a potential customer, right? Now it's time to actively engage with that prospect, right? Like some of their pictures, right? And comment on one of their photos. This is what it comes down to. It's actually engaging and showing you're a real person, not necessarily there to just sell them. Again, like their pictures, comment on their photos, send them a message and let them know what you like about what it is that they've posted, right? Because you don't want to just say, hey, I've got something to sell. No, actually find someone who has something that you're intrigued by, right? Once you do that, then you reach out to them. Step number 4, discover a need. After you've engaged with them, let's say you've messaged them finally. After you engage with them and message them, it's important to actually connect with them on a level that you can solve their problems, right? Ask them questions, right? This is when prospecting questions, right? This is when they matter. Because again, not everyone is going to buy what you're selling. Not everyone even needs what you're selling. But if you speak to them in a manner to where they actually understand that you're not there just to sell them, but you're in there to engage with them, and you just so happen to have a solution, that's when the sale can occur. And I actually teach that in one of my courses. That course is called the Target Marketing Formula, okay? Because I also have a course that's called Target Marketing Strategies, right? Where it teaches you specifically, like the strategy I shared with you before, right? On how to use the Facebook graph search to find people who like certain things, right? That's just one of the strategies. There are 12 strategies you can go through, and they all are targeted towards finding ideal customers, right? But once you find those ideal customers, you must know how to engage with them and what to say to them, right? And how to speak with them. This is what the target marketing formula is for. And I even provide a daily formula that you can follow in order to actually close more sales in your business. Now, step number 5, it's time for you to invite and follow up. Once you see they actually have a desire or a need, right? And you have that solution for their problem, it's time for you to actually collect their email address and add them to your email list, okay? That way you can follow up with them later on. Now, what this does is by having a tool that allows you to follow up, like an email autoresponder, right? And if you don't have an email autoresponder, I'll leave a link in the description, and this will help lighten the load on you, right? So you don't have to necessarily manually contact these people after they've shown interest. You can let your autoresponder follow up with them and send them messages, right, about your products, right? And if you don't know how to set this up, you can literally get more assistance below. I'll leave the link in the description, and it will show you how you can make this work for your business as well, right? Because you don't want to just contact people constantly and then have to follow up with each and every single one, because what that does is it takes away from your time of targeting prospects and engaging with them so you can actually find people who could be potential customers. Once you understand what I just shared with you, you'll understand how to work smarter instead of harder and actually work more efficiently and earn more sales and earn more commissions. And last but not least, step number 6, it's time to close the sale. Now, it's important to understand, and I always want to teach this, it's important to understand that there's a difference between selling and closing, right? Selling, you're basically getting someone interested. You're selling them on all the reasons why your product is right for them. But then closing, this is when you actually ask for the sale. This entails basically walking people through the process on how to get started and what they should expect once they do get started. This is what most people don't understand when it comes to sales, and this is why they're not actually closing the deal and earning more commissions. Once you understand the power of asking for the sale, then you'll be able to take your business to new heights, right? And even keep customers happy, right? Because they understand that you're not just selling them just to sell them. You're selling them and you're closing them because you understand that your product and services are the solution that they've been looking for. Now, if you want more training, help, tips, and advice for social media and how to use it for your business, here's what I recommend you do. Go ahead and click the Learn More link in the description, and it will take you to this post here, okay? And once you get to this post, go ahead and read it. Make sure you actually read it, because I share information in here that I may not have shared in this video, right? So go ahead and scroll down, right? Read the post, right? And then you're going to go to the bottom and you see where it says, want more help with your social media marketing efforts, right? Here are a bunch of trainings and tips and advice you can use to actually help improve your marketing efforts and get more results with social media. All right, that's it. Now, here's a quick question for you, okay? Which platform do you feel is the best to promote on? Go ahead and comment below. Leave it in the comment section below and let me know which platform you're using and which one you feel is the best to use for your business. It may help someone out that you don't even know, but may be struggling with their business. That's what we're about here at Online Business Help, okay? So make sure you actually leave a comment below and let me know what you think is the best platform to promote on. With that being said, Rod Singleton here. Appreciate you watching this video. make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, click subscribe, and then click the bell to get notified. That way you'll know as soon as we upload a new video. You'll be one of the first to see it and one of the first to implement the information we're sharing with you. All right? See you on the next video. Take care.